What inspires success? What is at the core of every innovation? What distinguishes the good from the best? The answer is passion. Passion to achieve perfection. Passion to create something new. Passion to conquer the best. Passion to transform the world. RE Components Private Limited, driven by quality, performance and excellence. We all live in an engineered world. We are surrounded by engineering. It touches every aspect of our life and it has transformed the way we live and work. It is actually the closest thing to magic that exists in today's world. And at RE Components Private Limited, we have mastered the art of engineering. With a humble beginning in 1997, we started the manufacturing unit for textile machine components in Rajkot, Gujarat. In the year 2008, we added automotive parts for heavy commercial vehicles to our product portfolio as well as started the exporting of the same. Today, we have a state-of-the-art manufacturing unit spread across 53,800 square feet area with a construction area of 30,000 square feet, which has leading edge machineries. We are an IATF 16949 and ISO 9001-2015 certified company. In a span of more than 2 decades, we have expanded steadily and rapidly, carving a niche for ourselves and achieving great milestones along the way. Today, RE Components is one of the most trusted and renowned name in the automotive sector. We know that great companies are built on great products. That's why we offer an extensive range of premium quality products that consist of steering and suspension parts of trucks, kingpin repair kits, spring bolts and spring bushes, torque rod kits, axle nuts, V-stay repair kits, camshaft repair kits, S camshafts, also various trailer parts and fifth wheel components. Mr. Sanjeev Vadodaria is the CEO of this esteemed organization and he is the leading force behind the success of RE Components. He has led this company with an absolute vision and business acumen. His everlasting passion, commitment and dedication is an inspiration for others. Mrs. Falguni Vadodaria is the director of the organization handling the finance division. She is a confident and dynamic professional with amazing analytical expertise. At RE Components, quality is everyone's responsibility. It's not just a department, it's the heart of our organization. All the processes are designed meticulously, leaving no room for an error. We manufacture products that surpass the expectations of our clients. Our premium quality products are our way to say we care. A superior quality product can be made only from the fine raw material. We thoroughly examine the raw material using latest equipment and only the best passes our test. With our state-of-the-art infrastructure and in-house modern technology, based on sophisticated machines for cutting, proof machining, drilling, tapping, slotting, milling, CNC machining, and VMC machining. Grinding, press fitting, and laser marking. We have the ability to fulfill our manufacturing orders on time, every time. We also undertake new product development through reverse engineering. Our manpower is the pillar of our remarkable achievements. We have highly skilled workforce who give their best inputs every day to manufacture superior quality products. We regularly conduct training and seminar to boost their potential and keep them updated with the latest technology. After all, it takes best people to create a best product. We have two different setups of VMC and CNC machines that let us work in accordance with our clients' requirements perfectly. After all, everything we do has our client's best interest at its core. Our each manufactured product goes through a pre-delivery inspection. We have an in-house quality assurance department that uses various measuring tools and testers to ensure that benchmarks for the highest quality are attained. Only the products passing the pre-delivery inspection goes for packaging. Here the products are packaged appropriately as per client's requirements and then they are sent for dispatch. All these functions of manufacturing are integrated thanks to the advanced ERP software. It automates our business processes and increases our productivity rapidly. Our products are available across India, and not just that. We also export to countries like Germany, Belgium, Italy, France, Netherlands, UAE, South Africa, Sri Lanka, Russia, Argentina, Brazil, USA, Turkey, Ukraine, and many more. Our vision is to become a world-class manufacturer of automotive parts and to be globally renowned for advanced and superior quality products. To fulfill this vision, we have future plans to expand our infrastructure, procure more high-tech machineries, and expand product range suitable for every vehicle on the road. We aim for the sky. We achieve the unthinkable. We work with passion. We strive for excellence. We are the best in business. We are RV Components Private Limited.